Hi guys, I wanna tour in here. We're going to the well. We just get bored inside the kitchen. So sorry the bat sitting. We're close now. I think this is gonna be so deep. No. Oh.
Ay, makuyawan mo ko ano matumba.
Ano tumba?
Kasi di ka tumba taawa o anak tarong.
Kung gunitan.
Kasi mamumo na yung gulo sila.
Di. No. Guhiran ta mantika. Nini oh. Talawan mo ko. Shh. Waiti. Wala man no eh. 10 feet na ko ni ini si kuya in. 10 feet. Ang mga iro ba dito madlo? So deep now. Gawin naman yung rock di ay. Ano sa naman itong,
Ada ko kaya 5 feet, anak. Yawa, ano.
So deep na, the well. Mataga ka.
Isa mo nag-blow.
Mo man na mong tubig, gikan dire eh.
Wawan niya ng buang matagap na.
That's deep.
Sorry ko, ito may bato nito.
Ah, dapat ka dito, humpuyo.
Ibahin sa mga kanang homesick sa mga tunggo, lilian, tunggo na sa sublaw.
Ano masunggo man kain?
Dantan, tuod man sa sipon niya, ubo. Nasisibisik mas, sinisik mas.
Oo, no?
Tunggo siya.
Nadaot yung ilong.
Anak ko ay dito ka survive in ano niya. Magsig isa ra sa kaadlaw, di isa ka survive kay. Wag ako rin naluoy, di ako na mahikap ako koko.
Ano naman?
Di na ako masula sa katugma. Pero ka magsibot, ay magbidyak, magtalinti. Magdyak sa patot, sa sunod.
We're talking about Australia, guys. Because she's been last year in Australia. Very cold in Australia. But she like Australia. I can survive in Australia, very cold. I might die as I can only. Katugay niya ato mi sa Hong Kong in. Ang restaurant bitaw in dito sa Disneyland. Hala. Nagtubig-tubig ang bungbong. Nigawas good ko kay di ko ginhawa. Lagi. Na pag abot sa gawas way hangin, malaking hangin, malaking kuan. Init nga mala.
Abot na ako nagtugma mo tanong. Dila init. Ang way aircon ang airport. Panang aircon. Di panang aircon niya. Ang sa gawas. Murag sobra ka aircon. Aba. Apang gugunin mo ba sa nagkurong ko. Kasi di pa ni maong katugma.
Here is our pan. Lamurag na isda na matayin. Oh my gulay, our fish pond. Very low now the water. Oo, saan mo nang kuan pati? Plastic no. Oh, the pan is so low, very low. Marag 1 month ani wala ni. Very sad our fish pond here, guys. Water is so low. Might be next month this will be dry. Maybe picturean taga diin oh. We're having a picture taking here in the muddy. Hey guys, we're going home. We're done taking picture with the dogs. So sad our pond. Very, very sad. And now even now it's already 4 o'clock. Still hot. It's like 12 noon. Very dry. You should see our rice hay here. Tons of pile. Ay, just take my breath. Oh wow! Tanawang manggain. May flower. Hello? Look the mango here. So amazing. Wow. So amazing, guys. In fact, this is the last batch that Philip pruned. His leaves not producing a young one. You should see that. Old leaves. There is no growing here a young one. But where he produced the flower. Here you should see that. Wow, so amazing really. And here. Very nice. We can have a mango next month or couple months more. So bye guys. We're just done finished. I just let in show our well and the pan. And she wants to take a picture there. We're crazy and taking pictures. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe. And stay tuned. I'll be back later. God bless you all.